Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced now launching here. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open Steam, go to your library, find the Assassin's Creed. You want to right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of the game files. And after it's done updating, or after it's done verifying, you can close this out. You can also do the same through the Xbox if you have the game through the Xbox app. So you want to open an Xbox app, go to your library, find the Assassin's Creed game. You want to right click on it, click manage, and go to files, and then click prepare and fix files, and then click yes, and it says fixing. And after it's done fixing, you can play it again, but don't do it just yet. The next thing you want to do is go to search, type in settings, now go to display, scroll down till you find graphics here. Now on the list, type in assassin. If it's not here, you can add it either from the desktop, if you have it through Steam, from the desktop, or if you have it through Microsoft Store, directly from the Microsoft Store. Now, if you cannot find it, what you can do is go to your Steam, right click on your game, go to manage, go browse local files, and it will open this window. You want to click here once, press Ctrl C, copy this path, open this again, add the desktop app. And now you go to the path and then simply paste it, and then you'll find here it'll say Assassin's Creed Black Flag. You want to add it to the list, and after it's on the list, you want to switch from let Windows decide to high performance. And after done that, you want to exit out of this, and after done that, you want to right click on the game again, go to manage, go browse local files. You want to right click on the game, go to properties, go to compatibility, make sure that you have run this program for compatibility mode, and select Windows 8. Also, you want to disable full screen optimization and click run this program as an admin, and then simply click apply and okay, and exit out of this. And the last thing you want to do is update your drivers to latest and greatest AMD or NVIDIA. So you open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers, and then download the latest driver here. Or if you already have it, you can re-download it. Maybe it didn't install correctly. Also, while you're here, go to system, and you want to make sure that you have G-Sync off. If it's on, you want to disable it, and go to settings and disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. After you've done that, and then restart your PC, and if the game still hiccups, what you can do is, if you have MSI Afterburner or some other stuff, you can, like RGB software or whatnot, you want to disable all of it before starting the game. Also, if nothing works of that, you can always move the game file. So right click on the game, go to properties, go to install files. You can move the install folder to your local disk C where your Windows is installed, because the Windows C is more stable and it doesn't have hiccups as the other drives. So if you move your game to local disk C, hopefully that should fix your issue. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced not launching. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.